Today we will explore the electric vehicle delivery company Workhorse. What products do they offer? How do they differ from the competition? And does this stock belong in your portfolio? Welcome to the Casa Finance Show. If you're not subscribed, you're missing out. So subscribe and ring that notification bell. I would like to hear your thoughts and opinions on Workhorse, so let me know in the comments below. What is Workhorse? Founded in 1998 by Stephen S. Burns, Workhorse Group Incorporated is an electric delivery vehicle manufacturer. Based in Cincinnati, Ohio, the company is aiming to implement new technology into the parcel delivery process, such as autonomous drone delivery. Workhorse currently employs 118 personnel. The products. Workhorse currently offers 3 products, which work in conjunction with each other: the C650, the C1000 and the HORSEFLY. Workhorse also offers a mobile application called Aries, which we will cover shortly. The C650 and C1000. The C650 and C1000 are fully electric delivery vehicles, constructed from lightweight composite materials, decreasing weight and increasing range. To assure packages are kept safe, a new 4-wheel independent air suspension system provides a smooth ride for both the driver and cargo. Both delivery vehicles have a range of 100 miles and a limited top speed of 75 miles per hour. The C650 has 650 cubic feet of volume, and the C1000 has 1000 cubic feet of volume. The HORSEFLY. This is how Workhorse differentiates themselves from the competition. The implementation of autonomous drone delivery enables rapid package transportation. The HORSEFLY is a highly efficient unarmed hexacopter that comes as an accessory to the C1000 delivery vehicle. The delivery driver would deliver packages by hand to a location that is nearby, while the HORSEFLY delivers packages to a location that is further away. The HORSEFLY has a top speed of 45 miles per hour and costs $0.03 per mile to run. Aries delivery app. Workhorse offers a delivery tracking application called Aries. The app allows users to choose an exact location on their property for delivery. Users can monitor package location in real time with a live drone-mounted video feed. Workhorse stock. Workhorse, ticker symbol WKHS, has been one of the hottest stocks in recent weeks, along with other electric vehicle companies such as Tesla and Nikola Motors. The stock is up over 435.61% and is currently trading at $15.27. The recent high was $22.90. The future of Workhorse. With the projected population set to reach 8.5 billion people by 2030 and the Internet of Things revolution accelerating the adoption of at-home delivery, I firmly believe that Workhorse can acquire a sizable market share. Key takeaways. Workhorse Group Incorporated is an electric delivery vehicle manufacturer. Workhorse currently offers 3 products: the C650, the C1000 and the HORSEFLY. The stock is up over 435.61% and is currently trading at $15.27. The recent high was $22.90. You are going to want to click on one of the 2 videos on screen now, because they both contain an exceedingly powerful message that can help you in your investing journey.